Hello, got your question here. According to airlines, flights on a certain route are on time 85% of the time, and you have 15 flights selected at random. You're asking about this part. The probability between 8 and 10 flights inclusively are on time. So you have a formula you could use. You could use you got a table, you use calculator. The easiest of all is a stat crunch. And I'm using the binomial calculator. You just click on Stat Calculators and choose this binomial calculator. And got standard in between. We need to choose between since we're going between 8 and 10 flights. So number of flights, you remember, is 15, and the probability of being on time is 0.85. So then you just put between 8 and 10 flights, and you click compute, and it'll give you that probability, which is 0.061. You want to go to 4 decimals, so you have to add another 1 to it. So that's how you could use StatCrunch to come up with that answer. Hope that helps.